I really enjoyed the camp gathering last night.
You called my name, and I ran out of that grave, out of the darkness, into your glorious day. You called my name, and I ran out of that grave, out of the darkness, into your glorious day.
Gather together and just kind of like worship with God and listen to Doc. He's really great. I really enjoyed him talking about prayer last night too. I think that was really neat, and it was like a good reminder.
When I pray, and hopefully you do, when I pray, how do I pray? Am I steering? Is God giving me directions? Is this a daily conversation? What would you have me do? Where would you have me go? Is it a spare tire? Help, I'm in trouble again. Please bail me out. Is it a prayer in reference to your relationship with God? God, I am a sinner in need of grace, and you are the supplier of grace. Or is your prayer a perspective prayer? Lord, I need you to know, doing pretty good.
When you're talking to God, it's not just, I want this, I want that, and he's not like Santa Claus or anything. He's like more than just a person, but like you have a relationship with him, and he cares about you the same way like my dad cares about me.
When I'm reminded of who I am, then I realize that I'm separated from God by sin. So the next one, thank you for taking notes, Bianca, is a C, confession.
He wants to hear about like how my day is going and like the things I've done and like what I've enjoyed and what I'm struggling with.
I'm Austin, and here we're at the Boomer House, and right now we're setting up scaffolding so that we can paint the upper side of the house after we're done scraping the outer side of the windows. Over here, we're painting the side of the house. We already got the lower portion done, but we should have waited until we set up the scaffolding first because you want to paint the top before you start painting the bottom. Over here, we're almost done with the jungle, day 2. We got halfway done, and we just need to cut down the big stuff first, and then we need to go over it with a lawnmower to clean it all up, and we gotta rake up all the leaves and the brush. And that's the Boomer site.
Hi guys, my name is Bianca, and this week we're working at Mr. Gray's house. We've been painting the walls, installing new carpet, and fixing the window fixtures outside. I've learned a lot actually. It's cool to be able to use like the different power tools, and it gives you like more appreciation for the work that goes into building houses.
Hi, I'm Morgan, and we're here at Mr. Gray's house. The guys here are working on the window framing.
Yeah, we're gonna try to...
In this room, me and Bianca are base painting the walls. Here we're doing the caulking for the crown molding, and we just did the baseboards. We put down this gorgeous carpet yesterday, and it's beautiful.
Looking good.